Hello and welcome to my channel. I've got questions about how many um servings will a 6 inches cake give. Okay, so in this video I'm showing you how you can cut your cake in the party. So it depends on what your options are. If the cake is the only dessert in the party, then you have to consider um, how you cut the cake to go round to feed the number of people you have. And there's a dessert size for cutting cake. I wouldn't call the way I cut this cake a dessert size, but it looks reasonable. Yeah, you could just eat it like this. This is a finger size. So this finger size, it's okay for your dessert in the party. And if you cut it this way, for this 6 inches cake, you will get approximately 20 pieces of cake. And so that means the 6 inches cake cut in the finger size will feed 20 people, 20 guests. So, but if you have other desserts in the party and the cake is not the only dessert so you're eating in the party, so you could go ahead and cut it a little bit tiny so everybody gets like a taste of the cake. And that would be like what size will I call that? Okay, that would be the oh my goodness, what size? Okay, so you just half the finger size, and when you half the finger sizes you get another a little bit more. Now when you half it, definitely you get approximately 40 pieces of cake. And that is if you have other desserts in the party. This cake is just an additional dessert, so that is okay. And then your 6 inches cake will be able to feed up to 40 guests. Okay, so but the disadvantage of that, for example, you can see with this cake video, I have two flavors. I have the vanilla top at the top part of the cake, and I have the fruit at the bottom part of the cake. So some people get to taste the fruit, some people get to taste the vanilla. Meanwhile, if you have a full vanilla cake, that's totally fine. Everybody gets a taste of the same cake. So when you're ordering your cake, you can put this into consideration and know what size of cake to order. So I hope this is helpful enough to intending clients. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you in my next video.